Greetings, friends. This is Prem Sundar from Oasis Water Solutions. We have done an integrated green eco organic project at Ananagar. Let's see how this project goes out. Hi all. Today we are at Mrs. Sujata Kishore's home. She has implemented the green organic water plant at her house. We are just going to explain how it is going to work. Here is the machine, and I am going to show you how we have taken all this right from the. Today we are at Ananagar. We have implemented a green organic water plant for drinking as well for bathing purpose and all the secondary purpose. I am here with Sir Mr. Kishore, and he is the owner and who has got this beautiful structure unit and water treatment unit at his home residence. Here we have taken the source water from the tank and we are sending to the carbon activated high quality carbon filter where you have a backflush methods, everything. So this will clean a lot of your water unwanted sediments and impurities, everything that will be keep cleaning over here. After that we are passing the water through the structure unit. The structure unit will make a water microclustering which will be highly useful for all your secondary purpose where your pipelines will be no scalings and your bathing will be very good, lather will be good, you can make a good cloth wash or vegetable wash, even cooking, for all other purposes this structure water will work. And from this structure water we are sending it inside the home where we have also set up there. It's in a two-way. One is for bathing and secondary purpose, another one for primary purpose. For the primary purpose, I will show you how the machines work. Lines inside in the pipelines. So entire kitchen or bathrooms, all the setups is running with the structure water. After structure water, we have put a purification system for primary drinking system. Where the TDS will be around 250 to 300. From there, we are stored in a proper vessels. From there, we have put in a machine which is called a water ionizer machine. This brand is a Japanese brand which is called a Kengen water machine. And through this machine, you can change the pH as well. At the differentiable pH, you can take from a different level. You can see that here in this. Okay, there are different pHs available, starting from 9.5 to low 2.5. You can take it, where it will work for a different purpose at your home. It will brings you more immunity, more antioxidants, anti-aging, and it will be saving you from lot of chronic illness. So this home is highly protected with this green organic water plant. There is no water wastages as well. We have made it everything in a compact model and set up it here. And Mrs. Sujata Kishore is along with us. She can give just a testimonial in this video.
Hi Prem. Thank you for introducing this Kangen to my residence, and I have seen a lot of differences after implementing this. Well, one I can tell you is that I started watering my plants with the structure water, where I started seeing there's a lot of blooming flowers coming. One is that, and secondly, a lot of changes in our day-to-day basic lifestyle also. And I feel the whole day I'm so energetic than the difference what I felt 2 months back, the regular water what we used to buy it in the market. So I thank Murugeshan sir and Prem and the entire team for giving us this opportunity to implement this Kangen machine at home, and we all are happy at home. And there is really, I can tell you that a lot of differences, and I request and I always wish others also to put this into their homes and in other working places too. Thank you all.
A few words about the water, and after taking the water, how he feels all goodness. Kindly give us.
Thank you, Mr. Prem and Murugesan. This entire thing was introduced by Oasis and their team, structuring the water. I think structuring of water is very important when it comes to your lifestyle. Your cell takes the structured water very quickly and absorbs it very faster than the very clustered waters which is available in the market. Second thing, there is a purification happening through the UV this thing, and then going into Kangen, which is again giving you an differential this thing, water with the hydrogen and oxygen content and also, which is much useful to your health and other things. So we have implemented three things. One is the structured water. Basically, it takes care of the entire house and as well as my drinking purpose. Again, that structured water is purified through the purification system and then entering the Kangan system and getting enhanced like oxygen and hydrogen into it, which is for the health and other things, which is taken care. So once again, I thank Mr. Prem and Murugesan and the entire OISS team for the giving.
Now
Yes,
I request Murugesan sir to give few words about it. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. First of all, we thank Kishore sir and Madam Sujata Kishore for giving opportunity for our entire team, OIS and Tricycle Water Solution. And mainly we are looking the structure water. Like structure water has different advantages, which most of the people they do not understand what is the water available in the market and what is the difference between the structure water and normal water. Basically, we work on the pH of water. Like normally, a human blood has about 7.45 pH should be there. So the same thing we have to balance when we take water. See, most of the water when you take less than the 7 pH, it will not support your digestive system. That becomes more troublesome, and it will not help the entire cells, and you will get more of free radicals. That also bring the balance in the system of like all the system of the body. Therefore, this system we work on the purification of the sources and converting into structuring it, and we also make use of the primary level of usage and secondary level of usage, and we want to do it with people really aiming for such a wonderful system in water for their domestic purposes. Once again, I thank Prem and Kishore sir and Sujata madam for giving an opportunity. This is a place in Chennai, in Anna Nagar. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching this video, friends, and we are looking for more distributors to implement this organic water solution at different domestic places. Here is our address, and we are most welcome all you to spread this